In today's video, I'll show you how to send emails from a Bolt app without even touching the code. To achieve this, we'll use a few simple prompts. But before we dive in, go ahead and create a Supabase account so that you can safely store your email API key. As for the email API, we'll use Mailtrap email delivery platform since Bolt doesn't have a built-in sending solution. All set? Alright. Open your Bolt project and in the upper right corner, click on Integrations and select Supabase. Hit Create a new project, then enter a project name, a database password, and select the region closest to your recipients. After Bolt connects to Supabase, open your new project dashboard and navigate to the Secrets tab under Edge Functions. Next, use Mailtrap API token as your key. Insert your actual Mailtrap API key in the value field and click Save. Back in our project editor, use a prompt like this one to glue Bolt and Supabase together. Then, for the From address, tell Bolt AI you want to use the email address with the sending domain that you've already added and verified in Mailtrap. And lastly, if you haven't already, map the email field to the user's input so that it gets passed along correctly. While we wait for the AI to finish its job, don't forget to tap the subscribe and notification buttons. This is just one of many tutorials we have on sending emails from AI tools, so be sure to have a look around our channel. Back to our Bolt project, we can see that the AI has completed our prompts. So, let's fill out the contact form fields and hit the Send Message button. Here's the success message, and would you look at that, our email is waiting for us in the main inbox. Who would have guessed? Previously on Mailtrap videos, we've sent emails from other AI-powered builders, such as Lovable and Retool. If you want to know how we did it, be sure to check out our 2-minute tutorials on our channel. I'll see you in the next one.